Hello guys, this is Busmaster99 coming at you with another in-depth tour. Today I'm going to be looking at this 2017 Lincoln MKX. Start button is right here. Has a semi-digital instrument cluster. Coming to the transmission, it's electronically controlled. It's a 6-speed automatic transmission. You press the brake and press the button to select your desired gear. When you switch between drive and sport, it changes from comfort to sport. The dials light up red in sport and blue in drive. Also in sport mode, you can change gears manually using paddle shifters. When you place the car in reverse, you do have a backup camera with guidance lines that move as you steer. To stay in neutral, press neutral twice. The end will flash. That's weird. I thought it had an interlock because the Ford Fusion has an interlock where if you're in stay in neutral mode, you have to have the brake pressed to shift out of neutral. But anyway, so that's stay in neutral mode. Let's just put it back in park. Also, park will automatically engage when I open the door or switch the engine off. Next, I'm going to show you how auto hold works. So you have to have the driver's door closed, be buckled up, in gear, release the parking brake, press the auto hold button. There's a pilot light right there indicating that the system is ready. And the green light up there indicates the brakes are holding the vehicle. Press the gas and it goes off. So that's pretty cool. Hazard lights, glove box button. Here's the electronic parking brake. So to set it, you pull on it. Then if you set the parking brake while the auto hold system is engaged, it cancels it until the parking brake is released. To release it, you have two different options. You can press the switch in with your foot on the brake, or you can press the gas with the vehicle in gear, kind of like in a golf cart. So parking brake is released. Oh yeah, that's right, because I unbuckled. Let's get auto hold back on. So I want to demonstrate the automatic application of the parking brake if you were to exit the vehicle without first putting it in park or setting the parking brake or whatever. So let's turn on the lights and let's see how those look on the outside. And as soon as I open the door, if the auto hold system is engaged, watch this. The car shifts itself into park and engages the parking brake automatically. LED side turn signal mirrors. Xenon headlights are standard. You can opt for full LED headlights, and I believe it includes LED turn signals as well. Nice LED accenting around the headlights. This does have all-wheel drive. LED taillights, as well as LED reverse lights. All 4 automatic windows. These buttons here control the left portion of the fully digital instrument cluster. You can go to the trip, fuel economy, driver assistance. You can turn off traction control in this menu, turn off the blind spot monitoring, cross traffic warning. You can adjust, or you can view the intelligent all-wheel drive system. You have rear parking aids, so when you're in reverse, you do have rear parking sensors. Tire pressure monitoring system. Car settings. Auto engine shutdown, so if your engine has been idling for too long, it shuts the car off. Automatic high beams, so if you, let's see, this only works at night, but if you push this to the high beam position, it will turn on the high beams automatically according to traffic. Set your auto lamp delay. So once you exit the vehicle, that's how long the lights will stay on. Daytime running lights. So when I put it in drive, the daytime running lights come on, as you can see with the reflection. And then as soon as I place it back in park, they turn off with a nice animation. Welcome lighting. Locks, mirror adjustments, so you can auto fold them when you lock. Neutral towing. So I'm not really sure how that is done. All right. Check your oil life. Power lift gate, remote start settings. You can turn the entire remote start system on or off. Windows, wipers, drive control. You can change it to comfort, normal, or sport. We'll just leave it in comfort. Sport. There's no comfort in sport mode. Performance and sport, obviously. Yeah, if these are the default settings, don't ever change them, because that will defeat the purpose of the sport mode. So you know what, we'll put it in normal for drive. Okay, you can set your my key, and with this, say you have a learning driver, you can limit the maximum speed to like 60, 70, or 80 miles an hour. So that way they can't drive too fast. You can create a My Key profile. Temperature unit. Tire pressure. Language. You can also change to kilometers an hour. These buttons are for the right screen, or for the middle screen. And really it's so that the driver can control the infotainment. You can see the digital speed. There isn't really much to the right side. Over here in the climate menu, you can turn on the heated steering wheel. You can adjust the temperature. You also have buttons down here. Down here you have heated and air-conditioned seats in the front. And if you get the heated steering wheel, you get heated seats in the rear as a bonus. So that's pretty nice. Max AC, recycle, AC on and off. Dual zone, and when it's off, it's in sync mode. so that when the driver adjusts the temperature, the passenger side is in sync, and with dual zone on, it is not in sync. Defrost, rear defrost, climate control system, audio controls, more settings, emergency assists, general settings, automatic updates. You can turn the beep on and off. Bluetooth settings, you can turn Bluetooth on and off. Navigation, clocks, sound, mobile apps, phone. You can also swipe, that brings you to the next page. Wi-Fi hotspot, Android Auto, more vehicle preferences, camera settings, valet mode, and I believe if you enter valet mode, the glove box cannot be opened, and then to cancel it, I think you have to press the unlock button, kind of like in a Jaguar. Phone, navigation, apps. You have menu shortcuts right here. I'm not going to press, oops, I guess I hit it on accident, but I wasn't going to go into the audio mode. Hope I don't get a copyright issue now. Over here, we have the window locks, power folding mirrors, these buttons here change between adjusting the left and right side mirror, 3-person memory, lock and unlock. That illuminates red when the doors are locked. Panel brightness. Power lift gate. Let's go check out the engine bay. The engine is a 3.7 liter V6. It is naturally aspirated. Here's the coolant. Here's the battery. Let's see. In terms of horsepower, can't really see anything, sorry. Sorry, I don't know how much horsepower it has. I'm gonna guess 310. I'm not too familiar with Lincolns. Okay, let's go ahead and shut it off. When you shut the car off, the seat adjusts back and the steering wheel adjusts up, allowing for an easy exit. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. As always, peace out.